Hi everybody. Today we are going to discuss about the antennas. Antennas is very important. How the communication, the bandwidth, and the channel capacity is very important. Likewise, the antennas plays a major role. With the help of the antenna only, we can able to transmit and receive the information both the sender and the receiver side. So antenna is the electrical conductor or system conductors. So transmission, the radio radiates the electromagnetic energy into the space, and then reception will collect the electromagnetic energy from the space. So once we transfer the information from the electromagnetic field energy to the space, so automatically they are available in the space, so we can collect, and the reception will be receive the information and demodulate and can use. The two-way communication is available in the same antenna, can be used for the transmission and the reception. So the radiation pattern mainly the graphical representation of the radiation is done on the antenna, that is dissipated in the two-dimensional cross section, that is a beam width antenna, and reception pattern and side lobes patterns and tunnels is analysis is a very low energy between the main lobe and side lobe, and then extra energy is directed to the outside maintained in the slide cells. So this is a type of antenna radiation pattern, how the antenna will be eliminated, how the antenna will be transmit the information, or omnidirectional antenna, or different types of antenna into the space. So attenuation is a major disadvantage of the transmission antenna. So the strength of the signal antenna is falls on the distance over the transmission medium. So attenuation factors the unguided media is received the signal must be significant distance, so automatically it will receive the signals. So attenuation is very important. So like attenuation greater than the higher frequency is causing the distortions. So attenuation will causes the distortion ranges. So mainly it will predict the loss of the typical environment in the things. So urban, small, medium size cities, large cities, and suburban cities, rural areas, it's major roles. And then we have the noise also plays a major role in the communication. That is a thermal noise, intermodulation noise, and then crosstalk, and then impulse noise also is a very important things. So noise is the unwanted thing. The noise is an unwanted thing. It will happen in the communication medium. So in that we have thermal, intermodulation noise, crosstalk, and impulse noise. So the thermal noise is nothing due to the agitation of the electrons it will produce. And then presence of all electric devices and transmission medium cannot be eliminated. The function of the temperature particularly used for the satellite communication. Noise terminology, it is internationally occurs in the signals with this different frequency range at the medium. So crosstalk is the path, it is unwanted coupling between the signal paths. Impulse noise is also a thing, irregular pulses or noise spikes in the short range communication in the oral. In the other important means in the atmospheric absorption, so water vapor and oxygen contributes the attenuations. So and then multipath obstacles that reflect the signal in the multiple copies varying the delays is received, and then refraction bending the radio waves and then their propagation through the atmosphere will be varying. The effect of multipath propagation, the reflection, diffraction, and scattering is a very important things. It's three things is very important things, and then multiple copies of signal. So it's a very important thing, and then inter-symbol interface ISI, and then rapid signal influence is a very important thing, and then sketch of three important propagation mechanism, how it will producing the signal. And also likewise the noise, the fading also important thing. The large scale fading and the small scale fading is available. So signal varies in the various large distance, and path losses also we can add, and then shadowing technique we can also use. So this is the types of fading, Doppler spread, and calculating the fasting data. So and then that and the CDMA technology is main thing. So data rate, how the information will be passing, and each user is encoded with a different spectrum coding. So CDMA is the main technology we can use for the multiple functions, more than one thing. So basic principles of CDMA is a data rate signal is high comparably others in a break of each other into chips. In each user and the CDMA, TDMA, and everything is a technologies were used in the wireless communication. It's important. It's code use and multiplex access the latest technology we can use it for the communication techniques. That's a code division multiplex plays a major role in for futures. Thank you.